Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your Jis News for Tuesday, June 10. $389 million is to be spent to build sewage treatment plants at 6 health facilities across the island. Financed by the National Health Fund, systems will be installed at the Fellowship and Ulster Spring Health Centres, as well as the Savlamar, Percy Juna and Princess Margaret hospitals. The Noel Holmes Hospital and Lucy Health Centre, located on the same compound, will share a system. Their wastewater systems will be improved using anaerobic digestion technology developed by the Scientific Research Council, which is responsible for designing, constructing and commissioning the systems.
It must be seen as a practical demonstration of cost-effective application technology to add value to the lives of our people while protecting and enriching the environment.
In a real way, we are very clear about the kind of diseases that can emerge in circumstances where sewage is not properly taken care of.
All the sewage treatment systems are expected to be completed within budget. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell is asserting that Jamaica will lead the region in the use of renewable energy sources by mid-2015. While speaking recently at the ATL Panasonic Energy Forum, Minister Paulwell said the country was making good progress, especially in the use of solar, hydropower and wind energy.
There will be no other country that can match Jamaica next year when, in addition to the 40 or so megawatts of wind that we now generate, plus about 20 megawatts of hydropower, we are going to be introducing 78 additional megawatts of the massive solar facility in the Caribbean, 24 megawatts, and the 2 additional wind facilities in Jamaica.
He said 3 bidders had been selected for the newest renewable energy projects. WRB Enterprises is proposing to supply 20 megawatts of capacity from solar PV from facilities in Content Village, Clarendon. Meanwhile, both Blue Mountain Renewables and Wigton Wind Farm are to produce a combined 58 megawatts of capacity from wind power in St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Minister Paulwell said he was soon to receive recommendations for those licenses from the Office of Utilities Regulation, while the power purchase agreements would be finalized shortly. Jamaican farmers and food processors are among over 28,000 in 8 Caribbean countries who will be assisted by the Canadian Hunger Foundation, the CHF, over the next 6 years. The promotion of regional opportunities for produce through Enterprises and Linkages Propel project will expose the farmers to markets that can take up to $10 billion worth of produce and products. The aim is to significantly reduce food imports within the Caribbean and increase access to external markets. Pointing to local success with Irish potato, Agriculture Minister Roger Clark says the Propel project complements the ministry's mandate to ensure Jamaica's food security.
Through this program with Propel, we hear that some 3,000 farmers by 2050 will be getting training. We want you to accelerate that as best as you can, because with the Irish potato, we expect that by 2015 we will be self-sufficient in table potatoes.
The project will also provide targeted support for an additional 1,500 young entrepreneurs to either undertake farming or agro-processing businesses. As the graduation season approaches, the Ministry of Education is appealing to schools to make the functions as conservative as possible. Chief Education Officer Dr. Grace McLean has asserted that school leaving exercises do not need to be exorbitant.
Graduation, while it is important as a feel-good exercise, it is not a part of the curriculum. It is not a stepping stone for the students to go anywhere else. We are asking schools to try to work out the arrangement where the students can graduate in their uniforms.
Dr. McLean was speaking at a GIS think tank last Friday. And finally, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has called on the nation's fathers to play a greater role in the lives of their children. The minister was speaking at the recent Thanksgiving service for twin boys Brandon and Braden Jones, who were tragically swept away by floodwaters in the Montego Bay Green Pond Gully on their way from school. While offering deepest condolences to the boys' family, the minister took the opportunity to remind fathers that children needed their influence in order to become disciplined students.
Even if your pocket is broke, stay close to your baby mother, to your wife, and to your children. Absentee fatherhood is pulling down Jamaica, and no matter how much money we'll get, it won't solve our problems. We won't be able to take advantage of anything unless we restore family life. to its proper order.
And that's it for Jis News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.